brownish. Yeah. There's a chip stone. I don't know if it's a tool or just a flake.
You want it back there when you're done?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
It's contaminated. Yeah. We're going to get DNA off of that as soon as I make it out. So you can tell that it's been work.
Yeah. It's the old, remember the BB gun hitting the window and it makes that cone?
Yeah.
That's the part of the cone is impact on the rock. And the one side has kind of a bulge to it. They call it the bulb of percussion. Ventral side, the reverse side is the outer part of the rock. There's flake scars going across it to kind of remove that rind or to get earlier pieces to use. I don't know, it's pretty sharp, is it?
Yeah.
So it might have been used just like that. Yeah. Feeling cactus. Feel free to pick it up, fondle it, take a picture of it, and then put it right back. Is what I say. Yeah. Some people like to lick them, lick the pottery to clean it off so you can see the paint. Right. Yeah. I don't know if I'd recommend that now.
Yeah.
Right.
So how's this pottery formed? Is it like how's it from clay-based soils?
It's a mix
like
of
climates?
clay, temper. We talked about the temper. It's like crushed. This El Paso brownware has this crushed, we call it popcorn temper. It's white. What is it? Bonzonite or something?
I think I saw some peppering.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Mix that in with the clay. It's pretty low fired. It kind of has a dull sound when you hit it on something. But we produced lots of it for a long time. Early jars and bowls were very small, but later on there's some big Hoyas that are this big around and this tall. And there's some speculation.
Sorry, when you said there was a low fire, what did you mean by that?
It's I guess maybe not heated for too long or a real high temperature to make it sort of get, I guess the hotter it gets, the more glassy, the hard it gets.
Okay.
So these end up kind of soft.
It's really hard because like pit firing is really hard to do.
Have you done that before?
Yeah, we were talking, I did archaeology as a first degree, and I had this prehistoric technology and culture class where we went out and made stone tools and fired pots and dyed stuff. So that you knew what you were finding, right?
Oh, well, that makes sense.
So like with a tool, if you made it before, then you
have a better idea of, yeah, that's a good point.
So were these pots made on a wheel, or are they all hand built?
Also, Lara, nice to meet you in person.
Little worms of clay, smooth it out. I don't know if anybody's ever found the kiln feature that they fired in this area. Up north. Yeah, anybody else want to?
Oh, sorry. Let's just check it out so we can see it too. So that's the percussion bulb I was talking about. And then that's probably the side where you can see it. You can see when they have these flakes that come out, they're purposeful to make sharp edges. Very cool.
I didn't quite hear
Oh, yeah. Oh,
which is really cool to think
I was
about.
talking about sort of the percussion bulb.
Mesquite
Could know that
could be from anything, but I think something like yucca, I don't know if it would preserve very long.